Why does a refrigerator make a humming sound? The humming sound you hear is actually the main motor running. When the motor is on, it causes vibrations that make that sound. And you usually hear this sound when the refrigerator is first turned on or when it's working to cool down the interior. Once the refrigerator reaches the set low temperature, the motor automatically shuts off and the sound goes away. Then when the temperature inside rises again, the motor kicks back on and the humming starts again. In the summer, if you open the refrigerator door frequently, the inside temperature will rise, causing the motor to run longer and the humming to last longer. Electricity consumption will also go up accordingly. So by listening to your refrigerator, you can tell if it's running normally. But if the sound gets louder than usual or if it changes in any way, that could be a sign of a problem with the motor. And a problem with the motor usually means it's time for an expensive repair. So keep an eye on it and get it fixed as soon as possible.